Hello friends. So in the last video we created a login and sign up screen. So in this video we will authenticate user using OTP verification. So let's get started. Okay, first go to build.gradle and paste this dependency. You can find this dependency in description, and let me close this file. Now click on login sign up package and create a new activity, empty activity, and name this activity as OTP verification and finish. And after that, go to Firebase console and open your app. Click on build and real-time database. Now create a database. Next, start at test mode and enable. Now go to Studio. Click on login.xml and copy this one and paste it in OTP verification. Now click on this login and change the text and change this text to listen to the OTP sent to. Erase this one and enter layer gravity center. Delete this relative layout and also the select text and also the forgot password too. And also delete the create account. Change this password text to some numbers and also layer gravity center, and erase the margin start, and the margin top will be 10 dp. Now below this text view type com.pinView wrap content and wrap content, margin top 20 dp and layer gravity center horizontal. And now it has only 4 boxes. Firebase will send 6-digit OTP. So for that, item count 6. And for the background, we will use edit text background. The padding will be 3 dp. Align with 2 dp. And close this one. Now change the login text to verify. And now we need to create animation. So for that, go to signup.xml. Click on this back button. First pass ID for the little layout. The ID will be sign up back button, and the transition name will be back button. And for sign up text, the ID will be sign up title, and the transition name will be title text. And for the phone number, the text title will be sign up phone number, and for the country code picker, it will be CCP. It doesn't need transition name. And for the full name, the ID will be sign up name, and for the password, the ID will be sign up password. And for the text view, the ID will be sign up login, and for the sign up button, the ID will be sign up btn, and the transition name will be the sign up button. Now copy this transition name, paste it inside the verify OTP XML file, and for the layout, transition back button, and for the title, transition title text, and for the button, transition name will be sign up button. Now go to signup.java. Let's create hooks. For that, text view, let me import text view, alt enter title text and edit text, and the text will be phone number, password and name, and create a button. First import this one, and the name will be sign up button, and for the relative layout, sign up back button, and for the country code picker, it will be country code picker. And inside the onCreate function, title text will be title text equal to find view by id r.id dot sign up title, and for the edit text, phone number equal to find view by id r.id dot sign up phone number, and the password and password equal to PinView by ID r.i. sign up password, and name equal to PinView by ID r.i. sign up name, and for the button sign up button PinView by ID r.i. sign up button, and for the sign up back button equal to PinView by ID r.i. sign up back button, and for the country code picker equal to PinView by ID r.i. ccp, and after that let us get a function public void verify OTP view and import this view alt plus enter, and inside this create a intent equal to new intent, and get application context comma OTP verification dot class, and after that let us get pair is used to get animations, so pair square bracket pairs equal to new pair. First import this pair alt plus enter book class, and here you should pass for how many components we are going to create animations. So we are going to get for 3 components, so let's pass 3 pairs 0 equal to new pair view comma string. For the first animation we'll call back button, sign up back button. The transition name, go to sign up.xml and copy the transition name we entered .java and paste it here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it 1 and 2 and change the transition names. And now we need to pass the user entered data to OTP verification activity. So for that create a string phone number, password and name, and inside the function type string user phone number equal to phone number.getText dot toString dot trim underscore phone number equal to country code picker dot get selected country code with plus user phone number, and after that underscore name equal to name dot getText dot toString dot trim, and for password dot getText dot toString dot trim, and inside the intent dot put extra, and inside the strings type phone number and comma underscore phone number, and intent dot put extra name comma underscore name, and intent dot put extra password and underscore password. Now activity options equal to activity options dot make scene transition sign up dot this comma pairs, and after that type start activity intent comma to bundle comma options dot to bundle. Now we need to access this function, so for that go to signup.xml and click on the sign up button, on click verify OTP. Now we got access to verify OTP, and now move to OTP verification. Click on the PinView and pass ID, and the ID will be PinView, and for the verify button it will be verify, and also for this phone number text type ID user phone number. Now go to Java file, let's get hook for this. First text view, click on alt plus enter user phone number, and for the PinView it will be PinView. Now create string name phone number password and code by system, and also type Firebase auth auth. Now we need to get the data sent from signup.java, so for that name equal to get intent dot get string extra, and the name just copy this name and paste it here, and it should be exactly same as the name we typed here. just press Ctrl plus D and change the name to phone number and password. Just copy this and paste it here, and also for the password, copy this one and paste it here. Now user phone number equal to find view by ID r.id dot user phone number. Now set user phone number text to set text, and the text will be phone number. And after that, type mauth equal to Firebase auth dot get instance. Now type send verification to user and enter phone number. Okay, now let's create function in this name. Public void send verification to user and string phone number. And before that, we need to access the PinView. For that, PinView equal to find view by ID r.id dot PinView. And now go to docs.firebase. You can find the link in description. Now here you can find the code. Just copy this one and paste it inside the function and import these values, all plus enter and all plus enter and all plus enter, and change the phone number to phone number. And after that, now we need to create a function for this one. Private phone auth provider dot on verification state change equal to, and now again go to Firebase Docs, scroll a little bit, and you can find this one. Just copy this line and paste it here, and erase this equal to. And for this error, just hover and click on implement methods and OK. Now we need another one method, and the method name will be on code send, and type a semicolon here. Inside the on code send method, code by system equal to yes. We already created a code by system string on the top, and inside the verification completed method, create a string code equal to phone auth credential dot get SMS code, and create a if statement code not equal to null PinView dot set text code, and type verify code parenthesis and code, and store new user data. And after this line, start activity, new intent, get application context, comma homepage dot class. On verification failed, let's create a toast message, toast verification failed. And now we need to get a verify code method. For that, private void verify code and string code phone auth credential equal to phone auth provider dot get credential code by system comma code. Now type sign in with phone auth credential, pass credential. Now we indicate this function. So for that, type private void sign in with phone auth credential, and inside the function type Firebase auth equal to Firebase auth dot get instance, and Firebase auth dot sign in with credential, pass credential dot add on complete listener, new on complete listener. If task dot is successful, it will run store new user data function, and start activity, new intent, get application context, comma homepage dot class. In else case, it will show a toast message, verification failed, and type a semicolon here. Now we indicate a store new user data function. For that, private void store new user data, type Firebase database root equal to Firebase database dot get instance, and database reference equal to root dot get reference and type the path name. The path name will be users. Now click on helper package and create new Java class, and the name will be add new user, and inside this type string phone number, name and password. Now we need a constructor. For that, just right click, generate and constructor, select all and OK. Now we need a getter and setter. For that, just right click, generate getter and setter. Now select all and OK. And before this, add new user, create a empty constructor, public add new user, and now close this file. And inside the store new user data function, type add new user, and add new user equal to new add new user. And now we need to pass the strings, these three strings. So phone number, name and password, and type reference dot add and value given listener, new value given listener. In the on data change reference dot child, and the child will be phone number, and dot set value, and the value will be this one and a semicolon. And on cancelled, let's create a toast, and the toast will be fail to add data and semicolon. And before the send verification to user function, create another function, public void verify, type view, and inside the function verify code PinView dot get text dot toString dot true, store new user data and start activity, new intent get application context homepage dot class. And now we need to access this function. So for that, go to the XML file and click on this button and type on click verify. And now go to splash screen activity, change this homepage dot class to welcome screen, and inside the welcome screen activity we need a function login import view or plus enter, and start activity, new intent get application context and command login dot class, and copy this function and paste it again and change the name to sign up and change the login to sign up dot class, and go to welcome screen.xml, and inside the login button type on click login, and inside the sign up on click sign up. And now let's run this code. And in the Firebase console, we can see our data has been received, name, password and phone number. So in the next video, we are going to create a backend for login activity. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.